Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best PVA mold release is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working with molds. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, getting a clean and easy release is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of PVA mold release, exploring its properties, applications, and how to choose the right one for your specific needs, ensuring your projects come out perfectly every time. Number 5. PVA Mold Release Agent for DIY Projects. Are you struggling to remove your projects from their molds? This PVA release agent creates a barrier. It makes it easy to separate the parts from the mold surface. Applying this surface release agent is simple. You can brush, spray, roll, or sponge it on. The solution won't shrink or leave any marks on your work. This PVA mold release is perfect for all your DIY projects. It works great with epoxy, resin, polyester, vinyl ester, gel coat, polyurethane foam, and silicone. Want to be more productive? This agent helps you remove your finished work perfectly and instantly. It helps you save both time and energy. We are a veteran-owned company. This product is made with the best materials to ensure quality and your satisfaction. We are confident that you will love it. What we like. This PVA mold release makes removing your projects from molds a breeze. You can apply it easily by brush, spray, roll, or sponge. If you're working on various DIY projects with epoxy, resin, or other materials, you should consider this, as it's designed for versatility and ease of use. What people say. I brushed the product on with a cheapo shop paint brush. I applied 4 coats and the stuff dries pretty fast. 5-7-ish minutes. Classic well-proven release agent. Works well for covering gel coat so it hardens. Number 4. Evercoat PVA Mold Release 8 ounces. This is the new and improved formula. It's designed to provide a better release. You'll find it works great. The package height is 2.25. This measurement is important for storage. Make sure you have enough space. The package length is 6.5. This dimension is also important for storage. Consider this when planning your workspace. The package width is 2.25. This is another key dimension for storage. Ensure it fits where you intend to keep it. This product is the Evercoat PVA Mold Release. It is a great product. It will help you with your projects. What we like. This product features a new and improved formula. It is easy to use. If you are looking for a reliable release agent with a simple application process, you should consider this. What people say. Puts down a thin coat of PVA. Came off clean. Left little purple flakes which I just wiped off the mold with some water and a towel. It goes on easily, although I use a brush, not a sprayer. It causes the fiberglass to release easily with no residue left on the mold. Number 3. Partall Film Number 10 PVA Half Gallon. This is a water alcohol-based polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, release agent. It creates a protective barrier. This helps prevent issues during the curing process. It's resistant to solvents and styrene, but it's also water-soluble. This unique combination makes it a versatile choice for various applications. It protects against surface hangups with polyester and vinyl ester resins. It can also be used with epoxy and urethane resins, providing a reliable release. PVA is typically applied over release wax. Some users even add wax over the PVA film for an extra cycle before reapplying. This offers flexibility in your process. It can be used as a surface cure agent during gel coat repairs. It locks out moisture in the air that can inhibit resin cure, ensuring a quality finish. What we like. This PVA release agent is water alcohol-based and resistant to solvents. It can also act as a surface cure agent. If you are working with polyester or vinyl ester resins and need a product that protects against surface hangups, you should consider this. What people say. I created a clay statue, then I brushed on about 30 layers of latex rubber. I then brushed on 3 or 4 coats of this PVA on my latex mold before I created the fiberglass mother mold over the top, and the fiberglass mold released fabulously. Using this on top of wax, my mold doesn't stick to the original part, and putting a layer of this on top of wax in my mold allows me to easily pop out my carbon fiber parts. The coverage is very good. Even though this is normally used for polyester resin, the evaporative silicone I used came right off. Number 2. Partall Film Number 10 PVA Gallon. This is a water alcohol-based polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, mold release agent. It creates a protective barrier between your parts and the mold surface. This is especially useful for curing molds. Partall Film Number 10 is known for its resistance to solvents and styrene, but it's also water-soluble. This unique combination makes it a versatile choice for various applications. It effectively prevents mold hang-ups when working with polyester, vinyl ester, epoxy, and urethane resins. The film ensures a clean release, saving you time and effort. PVA is typically applied over mold release wax. Some users even add wax over the PVA film for an extra part cycle before needing to reapply the PVA. Partall Film Number 10 can also be used as a surface cure agent during gel coat repairs. It locks out moisture, ensuring the resin cures properly. This helps to achieve a durable and lasting finish. What we like. This PVA release agent is water alcohol based and resistant to solvents. It can also act as a surface cure agent. If you are working with polyester or vinyl ester resins and need a product that protects against surface hang-ups, you should consider this. What people say. It is PVA, and this product is an effective mold release coating for epoxy resin. Made a film just in 2 coats. Worked as advertised. Number 1. Partall Film Number 10, PVA Polyvinyl Alcohol Pint. This is a release wax. It helps to create a barrier between the mold and the part. This product ensures easy part removal. The product is green PVA. It is designed to provide a smooth surface. This will help with the final finish of your part. The best part is that it rinses off with water. This makes cleanup quick and easy. You don't need any special solvents. It creates a thin film on the part. This film protects the part during the molding process. It ensures a high-quality result. The product is very easy to use. Simply apply it to the mold. You'll be amazed at how well it works. What we like. This PVA release agent rinses off easily with water, leaving a thin film on the part. If you like a clean and simple release process, you should consider this. What people say. Needed for gel coat curing, worked as expected. Worked great on my molds. Sprayed on with a HVLP gun straight out of the bottle, no issues at all. I use this for coating fresh fiberglass repairs to prevent them from drying all tacky. Works better for me than adding the wax to the resin mix, which in some cases seems to interfere with full curing quickly. Easy to use, just spray and then rinse gun with water. Probably could use this in a hand spray bottle too, but I haven't tried that yet. Once repair is fully cured, then simply wash off with soap and water. Leave surface nice and pure. Hard as a rock with no tackiness. I recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.